Hey there, Heritage Landing fans. Roberto Lee here at Heritage Landing, and today we're previewing our newest listing here. This is Unit 4322 on Poppy Field Loop. It's the Bay Creek floor plan, part of the coach line of condos that you're going to get here at Heritage Landing. 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, 2,100 square foot. And you get a 3-car tandem garage. Let's walk down here and take a look first. So here's your garage area. Notice this side's really long. This is your tandem side here. You can get 2 cars in there plus extra storage right here. Right across from here, you do have understair storage as well, which is really nice. And then coming up the stairs, we're gonna enter right into the great room here of the Bay Creek. Everything is really nice and open. But first, we're gonna go to my right here, and this is where all of the guest bedrooms and guest bath are. So 2 guest bedrooms here, really nice sized guest bedrooms. And both of these will have a walk-in closet right there in the corner, you see it. And here's the other guest bedroom here with the other walk-in closet there. Then over here we have the guest bath. That's the combination tub and shower there with the singular sink, the commode. And across from that, you have your laundry space. Nice part here is you got the swing door, so you can shut this and your guests have all the privacy in the world if they like. Now out here in the great room area, you've got a dedicated dining corner here with another little storage closet right there in the corner. And then this opens up into your beautiful kitchen with white cabinets. You've got this beautiful backsplash here. Quartz countertops, and this all overlooks your great room area. Now, a nice part about this sale in this home is everything that you see is included. It is turnkey furnished, so you're getting all of the furniture, all of this forks, spoons, knives, plates, dinnerware, and such. One last thing in the kitchen here, you do have this nice corner pantry here, tons of storage space back here. Now shooting across the great room, we're gonna go into our master bedroom here. This is a huge bedroom, lots of natural light, and you also have the sliders leading out to your lanai as well, really nice feature. You've got 2 walk-in closets right here, his and hers on each side. And then you've got the bathroom here with that huge shower right there in the corner. You've got your split sinks, and then also your private water closet. Now, last but not least, on this particular home is the exterior living and the views. So this one has long lake views from your lanai here. So that is actually the aqua range that you're gonna find here at Heritage Landing. So you can see how long that is, and directly straight across that lake is the amenity center. So you've got a beautiful long lake view with this home. Everything's included, all the furniture. All you have to do is bring a toothbrush and a smile. All right, folks, so if you are interested in this home, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.